what the country needs right now. How can the people in uniform turn so vicious to their fellow human beings that in the end they kill a person? Power corrupts and power kills your own soul. With the death of George Floyd, people have started talking about the police brutality which the people face. Thousands of people are out of the streets and are condemning this act done by police. If people of the United States can do so, then so can the Indians. But the main issue which arises in India is that police brutality is considered right on moral grounds. We have seen plenty of celebrities and notable people talk about the issue which happened in Minneapolis, where were these people and when students were beaten up by the police outside universities. 5 Muslim men were thrashed by the police officers in broad daylight in the capital of the country. Migrant workers were being beaten up by the police, etc. 31 people lost their lives during the CAA protest. But to us, the picture from Minneapolis came in the newspaper and no one talked about those 31 lives. If people can comment about Black Lives Matter, they must understand that in India there is no black and white. Rather, there is racial discrimination on grounds of one's religion and the caste they pertain to. You might be a Dalit, SC, ST or a Muslim. You won't be treated the way a human should be treated. Researchers have shown that if a person is Muslim in India, he or she is automatically assumed to be a criminal. Now the whole point is that all the stereotypes must be broken up and people who are speaking about Black Lives Matter must also realize that they are just being hypocrites and not talking about their own nation. You may be all in for development, but develop your own country first and then speak for the others. Celebrities such as Kareena Kapoor Khan and Priyanka Chopra have shared message about George Floyd, but what our question is that where were these people when millions of Indians were walking home on foot? In India, it is often seen that the police gets away with murder and killings. They are seen as the biggest inspiration for truth and justice. It is astonishing to know that if the police officers of the United States of America, which is best nation in the world, are facing the charges of violence, India can have that too. People need to open their eyes and believe that there is a huge difference between idolizing someone and understanding the truth behind the person. The people in power must realize that they cannot get away with everything. In one of our previous articles, we covered the report about the PM Care funds and the fund not being audited. Where are the people who were promoting this fund now? If the fund is clearly not being audited and it cannot be made public, there seems to be something wrong with it. The whole point of this is that we need to widen our thought process and understand that every person who is in power and has the power to influence everyone's mind may not be right all the time. At times, these people create the biggest chaos in the nation. That's all for today. Now this is Palak Gupta signing off and we'll be back in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay connected. Thank you.